Welcome back. So today we just took it a little down south, okay? I might not be from down south, baby, but I know how to cook, okay? My red beans and rice. We got fried cabbage. We got blackened tilapia, and we got some honey butter cornbread, okay? Now plate up my son plate, y'all. So I'm gonna get some rice in a bowl. My rice been in the pot for a minute. We got rice. It smells so good. What's your plate, Vonnie? Okay, Mama. Come on. Okay, go sit down and watch TV. Now for the plate on my plate, and that man finna get off work, so I'm finna play his plate too, but I might do it when he get here. And that's there, y'all. But like I told y'all, I'll see y'all on the next one.